How to fix speaker not working problem in Oppo Reno 14F. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now click on do not disturb, and here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.